This is an emergency alert. Please pay attention to the following message. This message is provided by the U.S. government. There has been an occurrence of 57 missing persons in the last 24 hours. We urge you to remain vigilant and report any new missing persons or provide any relevant details to the nearest authorities. Please contact your local law enforcement agency or emergency hotline if you have any information that could help locate the missing persons. Remember, your assistance is crucial in reuniting these individuals with their loved ones. Stay alert and report any suspicious activities to the authorities. Thank you for your cooperation and assistance during this critical situation. We will provide updates as more information becomes available. This is an update to the previous emergency alert. Please remain attentive to the following information. In the last 24 hours, there have been 1,567 new missing persons reported. Tragically, 56 deaths have also been confirmed. Local authorities have discovered that these incidents are linked to a mysterious entity, although details and information about the creature remain unknown at this time. We urge everyone to exercise extreme caution and take necessary precautions to ensure personal safety. Stay indoors whenever possible and avoid venturing out alone. If you encounter any suspicious or unusual activity, immediately report it to the authorities. Authorities are working diligently to gather more information about the entity responsible for these incidents. It is crucial that we remain united as a community and support one another during this difficult time. Keep an eye out for updates and follow instructions from local law enforcement. Please share this information with friends, family, and neighbors to ensure everyone is aware of the ongoing situation. Together, we can help bring an end to this crisis and bring those responsible to justice. Thank you for your cooperation and vigilance. We will continue to provide updates as more information becomes available.